Hi there, my name is Owolabi Tangod from O3 Schools. We have been directly involved in getting thousands of students into various tertiary institutions in Nigeria over the past 7 years. The proofs are what you are seeing right now on the screen. As such, we have been able to study how JAMB works and all you need to do to get into school. Our app is designed to enable you practice your way into your dream school with at least a score of 300. O3 School JAMB CBT app is the best learning app to score 300 plus. The app features over 19,000 JAMB pass and likely questions offline. JAMB recommended novel, The Life Changer, UTME challenge where you can compete with other JAMBites all over Nigeria to win prizes before the main exam. All literature textbooks, career guide, school finder, dictionary, educational games, etc. The app is available for Android phones, laptops, and desktops. Reasons to get this app: it does not expire. The app continues to work provided you do not misplace your device or flash it. 2. No subscription fee. That is, once you activate the app, it stays forever activated for all subjects. Number 3. Practice by topics and practice many subjects at once. Number 4. Voice features where you can listen to questions and their explanations. Number 5. Built-in calculator and several interesting user experience features. How to download this app? Head to Play Store and search for O3 School JAMB to download the latest version of this app. Install and that's all. How do you activate this app? To enjoy the full features of this app, simply click on Activate at the top menu. Go to Buy Activation Key. You can then pay with your ATM card online or pay via transfer or POS, Pega and OPay. After payment, send screenshot of receipt or debit to our support number on 09121515246 on WhatsApp. See you at the top.